Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. You got your girl. You got your girl, Purple. And the baby's still sleeping. Twirlies, guess what? Your girl found a box. This box to be exact. Unopened. I forgot all about it. Guess where it came from? Juvia's place. I ordered it around Christmas time and I never opened it. So we're gonna open it together because it's been over 3 months and I forgot what the heck I ordered. So if you want to see what's in the box, like I want to see what's in the box, stay tuned. Okay guys, I have the box and I have my knife, so we're gonna open it and see what's in it together. And I'm being a little bit quiet because if you can notice, I'm in Orlando's room. He's in my room sleep. So here's the packaging. And let's see. This is an indication that I probably have too much stuff, or I ordered too much stuff, or maybe just Orlando had my attention too much that I didn't even open or notice that I didn't have something. Okay, this is the Nubian Earth palette. And I don't remember what these look like. I would assume from the packaging is probably something that's, and the name, earth tones or some browns or, you know, something in that range. So let's see what it looks like. And yeah, y'all, I woke up like this. I washed my face, just brushed my hair, put on some lip gloss, and turned the camera on. Oh yes. Oh yes. Y'all see that? Do you see that? That will probably be my new little everyday palette. It has like all of the tones that I really wear all the time, even, you know, when I'm not even thinking of it. And the next one that I have is called the Garden of Juvia's. Isn't that cute, y'all? I mean, you guys probably have seen all of these because this has been like 3 months. Yeah, over 3 months, because guess what, guys? Guess what? I made my goal of 90 days of no eating out. I'm so proud of myself. So proud of myself. So let's see what the Garden of Juvia. Oh. Y'all. Oh, look at this. Look at this, y'all. Look at that. Look at those colors. Look at those colors. OMG. This is perfect for the spring, and Easter's around the corner. Oh gosh. I will definitely probably make my Easter look out of this palette. Oh. I'm loving it. And this is the last item that I had in the box. It is called Culture. And it says The Explorer. So it's pretty big. Let's look in here and see what Culture is about. The colors of the package very bold. So I'm assuming the colors are bold inside. Come on out of there. Ooh. Now this one, yes, okay. This one reminds me of the Voila palette, actually. Y'all see that? This reminds me a lot of the Voila palette. Yeah, it reminds me a lot of that. But do you see those 4 colors right there? Those 4 colors And that blue and that purple right there, y'all. Those are the 4 colors that caught my eye first, y'all. So, okay. This will be something that will go against the Voila palette. So, yeah, y'all. Let me see if this invoice had the prices of this stuff on here that I got. Let me see if it even has the order date on it, because this is a little bit embarrassing. Oh, guess what date it has on it, y'all? December 14th of 22. So that's when I ordered it. And I probably got it about 2 weeks after that, because you know Juvia's place takes freaking forever to get your order. So I probably got it after Christmas is probably why it got shifted. Yeah. Oh, and I had a coupon, y'all. The coupon that I used, I saved $44.50. OMG, I only paid $35.45 for these 3 palettes. That's why I bought it, because it was on sale, and y'all know I love to save money. I love to save money. Speaking of saving money, y'all, the grocery store chain that I spoke to, or that reached out to me, has requested that I make 2 videos before they will actually work with me, and those videos need to have at least 500 views. So when I post those 2 videos, y'all, get me those 500 views so that I can work with this grocery store chain and get you guys the discount that you deserve, in addition to my tips that I'm going to share with you. So those videos will be coming out soon, very soon, and there's criteria that I have to meet for those 2 videos that they're wanting. So 500 views is one of them, so you guys got to help me with that part. The rest of it I need y'all help with that. So when you see one of those videos, please share the video, share it with a friend that likes to save money, share it on another social media platform that you use or anything like that. I don't mind you sharing my content at all. And that's all I have for this video, y'all. So thank y'all so much for tuning in to your girl with her late Juvia's Place haul, order, or whatever unboxing you want to call it. And into the next video. Later, guys. Oh, and tell me how y'all like me recording in Orlando's room like this. Or nah. Because I kind of like recording in the living room, because if Orlando's in his bouncy chair or if he's in the sleep and play, he's right there and I can keep an eye on him. So a lot of the other videos have been in that same setting, but I wanted to change it up a little bit. Yeah, so give this video a thumbs up, drop comments, questions below, give me some video suggestions, y'all. What y'all want to see Orlando doing. I'm trying to teach Orlando how to crawl. Maybe you guys want to see that. I don't know. It's probably pretty funny if I put it on video. So, later, girlies.